new video on an altcoin, Notcoin, something that is very new and is actually got insane volume behind it. So I decided to follow up with this TA on here for a trading opportunity. Before we get everything started, please, if you have not already, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get these videos as they come out. If you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on my Discord server after the video. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that we use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much. So now real quickly on Notcoin on the weekly, you can see it's only like a few weeks it's been out, but this massive impulse that it had as it hit exchanges is finally getting a little bit of pullback, but the pullback is actually somewhat bullish on a bullish divergence on volume. Going to the daily, you can see that after the initial impulse, what we're doing right now is a retrace, and doesn't that look like the most perfect bull flag possibility? I have done the fib pull, so here's the fib pull. So the original buyers did get to take some profit, and what we're doing is coming back to test into support. You can see the support possibility right over here. And as long as we can hold this level as support, coming in here for an inverse head and shoulder and coming back to tag these targets here, seems like a very reasonable setup. If you can see this bull flag or parallel channel, hopefully tightening down and then coming into that impulse. So that's something that I wanted to bring to your attention. I know that is very crude drawing, so I will make myself look somewhat more professional, like so. That's fine, it doesn't really matter. So in this little parallel channel, as you can see, the midline, we are underneath it here for resistance, then flipped into support as we came up, and now we're gliding on it, looking for a potential low. The low that we're looking for should be near this original area that broke out of, and as long as we can hold over here, it looks like a decent long scalp. So as you saw, I did the doodles first, and now we got all this other stuff going on. I'm going to remove the little triangle over here. You can understand that this is the area that it wants to defend, this 1 cent area. From 1 cent, going to 2 is very, very logical and reasonable. This is a coin that is even possible to get into like 10 cents. So maybe another, 10x is possible. But the point I was trying to get at is this right here is 100% gain already. Going just from the 1 cent area to your first target is almost 65%. But going from 1 cent to the 2 cent area, you're basically looking at almost 100% gain. That is a possibility if you get into this accumulation. If it's bullish, what it should do is make a higher low. So this is one low, and then this would be a higher low, looking for continuation upside. Yeah, if you want to count this, you can, but I'm just looking for the trend actually continuing to the upside in this formation. Yeah, you can have this potential distribution head and shoulder, and it will probably bring you right into the buying area for the accumulation that we already had for this inverse head and shoulder. Let's see, I'm trying to delete all this. So something like this where it can come into this accumulation and then to tap the upside. So this is hopeful if we get it. Like if we get it, great. If not, you already know that it's using this as support around 1.5 cents as support, and looking for it to come back into the area that it broke down. Once it does get above 2 cents, I'm looking for it to just do a measured move. And when you do these measured moves, you just have to take the range, and then it's 1 to 1 if it breaks out. If it breaks out over here, you can look at it like this, and you can come into the previous liquidity. But normally I would look for a little higher of a grab of liquidity. So I would put this on the outside of the channel for that measured move to go to the top 3.5 cents. But that's basically what I'd be looking for as a target on this asset moving forward. I did want to point out the market cap on this bad boy is pretty big. The volume is good. You know, you got over 100 million plus. Where was I trying to show you? Coin market cap. So Notcoin snuck into the top 100. Well, it did. It was there. I'm trying to show you the market cap. But since we're on the stream, it's lagging a little. Just be patient one quick second. Otherwise, let's go to CoinGecko. Shame on you, coin market cap. You suck. Can't even load. The hell. And come on. We're obviously not trading Ondo anymore, but that was something that we did make a video on. It looks like it's still at the same spot. There it is. And Notcoin, the reason we made the video because it was actually coming into that buying opportunity. So it makes sense to, you know, make these videos when you actually can do something with it. Here's the market cap, 1.5 billion. And basically, I guess all the supply is already out. And this coin, I think, has to do, there you go, it is. It's with the Telegram. So Notcoin, Ton ecosystem, all of those are part of the Telegram community. So, you know, this coin has like an audience, is what I would say. This thing was top 10. What number is this now? Oh, it's number 64 now. So obviously, if this wants to come back, it can. But if you look at the history on this bad boy, it's pretty new. So how it's getting this major sell-off is probably original holders taking profit. Oh, there you go. In the last 30 days, it's up 200%. Yeah, so it started like way over here. And you did get around 200% profit, and you're still holding at 1.5. So you're still up around 150%, but this does have room for upside because it's just coming out. You have decent volume. If Telegram keeps their stuff together, it could use this as a reason to grow compared to X, Twitter, which doesn't have a coin that people can use for tipping and stuff. For X, I guess Doge is it, but that's basically the gist I wanted to say. This coin is something that you should probably do some research on. If you like it, if you like the tokenomics, you can see the fundamental we just looked at. The technical analysis here is showing you that there's a possible buying opportunity coming. If you're patient, you could get in. If not, you can wait one more week, because on a weekly, since we don't have too much history, it can come back down into this range between less than a penny, like 1/8 of a penny, to almost like 1 penny even. So just, if you're patient, get your plan ready to dollar cost average in, but be aware that, yeah, the sell-off is probably because it was hyped up when it came to market. Now that it's on the market, everyone is like, and if it has longevity, it should not break the original people who bought. It should hold it as support. It's when you take out the original investors when it came to market that, hey, this coin might not have long term. So, I mean, in this 50% retrace, you know, this is probably the best probable time on a daily time frame to scalp this for upward. So when you do take this long around here, like 1.5 cent or 1.25 cent, make sure you take profit at 1.5 to all that, like every half a penny, just take profit and leave 20% running with stop loss and profit, because this is a new coin. It needs a little bit more time for history, but as of the data that we have, you can see that it's on a bullish retrace, fib supported, and it's not a BS coin. It's actually a coin with a big company behind it with a lot of users. So the long-term possibility of this being a winner is there. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for the lag of the silly internet. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you are interested in joining the Discord server, the link to the server is in this description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend. So thank you guys so much for your love and support. I greatly appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and get your friends to sub, because we're almost at 1,000. So thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.